Ano masasabi niyo parang positive yung response ng tao? Na parang may kilig, alam mo?
We can't really tell na positive po lahat kasi there's people na like may ayaw din. And of course, wala naman talaga kami, like, wala naman kami, we're not really expecting for anything naman from them. So, hindi rin naman namin sila piniplease na tanggapin nila or stuff like that, anything like that. Ang importante, like kung ano kami ngayon, hindi maapektuhan yun kung ano yung man yung sasabihin ng ibang tao.
I think as long as we're happy, and as long as we have the blessing of the people that are close to us, that's what's most important. Sana lang, it'd be nice na, you know how Julie she really loves her fans, and you know, so it's nice when you hear that they accept it. And there's things that you can't really avoid. May it be na manilitiglas or something, but she loves them anyway. And I think what's important is that we're happy, and that we have kung sino naman yung mga malalapit sa amin, we have their blessing. And yun naman yun. We talked about it before na interview po kami before napag-usap. We were able to talk about that, you know, once it's out there, it's out there. So napagdala naman po namin yung mangyayari na whatever we have or our bond or our circle, walang makakapasok na external.